welcome back to my channel. My name is Maitri Vankire and today's video is very special because I will be taking you on a beautiful travel journey to Konkan. I'm so excited. So this travel journey is planned by my mom as well as my maushi, so thank you for all that. In this journey, I will be taking you to the most beautiful waterfalls of Amboli. Amboli Ghat waterfall, then Baba waterfall and many more waterfalls we are going to see in this video, and that too in safari van, and it's so excited. I'll just show you the picture now and then you just check all the safari details in the description. And after Amboli, we are also going to visit Savantwadi, the Savantwadi Palace, the Moti Lake, and also we are going to do shopping there. Well, I have mentioned all the itinerary in the description, so make sure you check it out. And now, without wasting time, wait. I also wanted to mention you that I have made all the outfits in this video. And now, without wasting time, let's get back to the video.
So we started our journey by heading towards D-Mart to get some snacks, raincoat and some chocolates. After shopping, we headed back home and it's almost 10 o'clock and we have to leave our house at 2 a.m. because we will be catching morning flight at 7 a.m. in the morning, and that too from Pune. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss my dog so much.
I'm in little mess, but right now we are leaving. So, happy journey to me! Happy journey to us!
As soon as we stepped out, all my doggies came to say goodbye. It's like every time I step out, they came running towards me. And finally, our car has also arrived, so we said Ganpati Bappa Moria and head towards Pune airport. Now we will be traveling for next 3 to 4 hours just to reach Pune airport. We took Missing Link road and trust me, the view was absolutely beautiful. The roads, the light and the driver has played Hindi songs. Such a perfect combination for this monsoon. And finally, after traveling for almost 4 hours, we reached Pune airport. This was actually my first time to visit the Pune airport and I was so surprised to see how beautiful and cute airport it was.
Good morning, guys!
Hi, good morning.
Mimi!
झोपेतच बोलतो.
Let's go!
As soon as we checked in, the first thing we started looking for was some nashta.
भूख लागली तुला?
I'm hungry, guys. I need food.
Because obviously, after such a long journey, we were super hungry. My mom and Maushi grabbed some chai while we decided to have Subway.
I've decided to do it in flight because itna sara. Oh my god.
Before hopping onto our flight, we had to catch the airport shuttle bus. And the crazy thing is, even after reaching so early to the airport, somehow we managed to be late. Yes, we were literally last one to catch the airport shuttle bus, and the crew was looking for us. We made it just in time, and finally, the official travel journey to Konkan has started. Our flight from Pune to GP was less than hour and the views was incredible. Well, this is a beautiful Sindhudurg.
So, ma'am, how are you feeling about this?
This is a Sindhudurg airport, guys. As you can see, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है Sindhudurg airport.
Yeah. What is IRB?
It's an infrastructure development जो जिसने ये बोर्ड लगाया है.
Yeah.
As soon as we landed, the first thing we noticed was how cute this airport is. It's not huge, modern, but cozy and well maintained. And look at this beautiful shop made out of bamboos. Well, now we will be traveling straight towards our today's staycation in Amboli. From Chipi Airport, our staycation is almost 2 hours away, and after traveling, we finally reach our today's stay. We checked in and this is our beautiful room. This is so beautiful and cozy. Look, my sister is already enjoying the bed. And here comes. So this is the beautiful view from our room. We freshen up, change into comfortable clothes and head straight towards the restaurant. And the food is absolutely delicious. We order proper fish thali and honestly this is the exact what we need after the long travel.
Good evening. Actually, we slept in afternoon and now we are moving towards our dinner. And today we didn't cover any spot, but yeah, it was important for us to sleep for. Okay, so this is my first outfit. Ta-da! I'm in love with this outfit because this outfit it was totally confusion and I have made it from this sari. Ta-da!
Now it's time to cover this beautiful outfit because I don't want it to get ruined in this rain. Well, I got lavender color raincoat. Let's see what everyone got.
सो मम्मी आहे ग्रीन मध्ये, मावशी आहे पिंक मध्ये, पनू आहे पीच, हिमांशू लॅव्हेंडर आणि मी लॅव्हेंडर.
After that, we decided to step out of the hotel to explore. But the moment we stepped outside, it was pitch dark black. There was no lights on the street. And then we decided to go back to our hotel. But just few steps ahead, we saw this cute tea stall out of nowhere.
This is the Parle-G and today I will be trying her recipe with the coffee. I will never know that.
पहिले बँगाला नंतर बँगालाच म्हणतो तो म्हणून आपण माती माती करतो.
And we ended up enjoying chai, coffee, omelette, and it turned out such a cute experience.
और ये हमारी गैंग जा रही है.
After that little tea stall experience, we got back to our hotel and decided to explore the property. And it's already 9 o'clock. So it's obvious that we have to decide what we are going to have for our dinner. And this is where our 1 hour discussion has started. Everyone was suggesting their own places to eat. But finally, after 1 hour of discussion, we decided to go back to the tea stall and have Maggie. Because not everyone was that hungry.
मम्मी मम्मी काय करते. चल चला पेट्रोल भरूया लाईनीत चला. प्रयारी आणि हिमांशू आणि मम्मी.
लाईट घेऊन चाल, पाहिलं दिसत नाही रस्त्यात. लाईट घेऊन चला.
After reaching to the tea stall, we ordered vegetable Maggie. It was so delicious and also we had this chocolate named Fantastic. Yeah, the name was Fantastic. And also this kulfi milk. And now it's time to go back to our resort.
फक्त त्याला बोल की त्याचं कॅन्टीन इकडे टाकायला. धुंदीत राहू मैरीने भजन म्हटलं होतं. मीराचं कोणतं गाणं ते?
हम तेरे
नाही नाही.
अच्छा हाँ ते पाय रात के हम सफर कुछ नहीं देख. ए बाबा तुम्ही भूताला बोलायला शांत.
आम्ही आया.
So बहुत सुंदर है. Like यहाँ पे fog and all सब जमा हो गया है and it's so pretty. And this is how we completed our day 1 by singing a beautiful songs on street of Amboli. It was such a pleasant and beautiful experience.
Good morning, guys. This is the day 2 in Amboli. So today, what's plan is we have already booked one Vibhag safari, and I'm so excited to show you. So details are in the captions. If you wanted to book that, you can. So now I'm going to do my makeup. Ta-da! We are going for the nashta. Lake view.
In today's nashta, we have sprouts, then chocos, and then cornflakes. This is some detox water which tastes just like water. And then comes papaya, sandwich, shevria, uttappa. We also had puri bhaji, but don't know why they were not refilling it. Then bread, jam, only egg tray, bread pakoda. While doing nashta, we came to know our safari has arrived, and I was super excited to see.
Good morning. This is the day 2, and now we are going for our safari. So let me show you the traveling van for today. Ta-da! So this is our travel for today, and it is called Safari. Make sure you check the description for details.
Moria!
उंदीर मामा की
Jai!
दिवस आहे आपल्याकडे हे फक्त रेनकोट हे करा बाबा वेटर बघा पहिले बाबा
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना एक सफर है सुहाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना आता आम्ही सगळे रेनकोट घालतो एक एक आम्हाला आधीच इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिले होते की रेनकोट घालून निघा पण आम्ही आळशीपणा केला After this whole journey, we came to know two things. First, Amboli is absolutely beautiful, and second, we should ask for the plastic cover for this safari because we could literally feel every single part of this journey from rain, cold breeze, strong monsoon winds, and fog as well. We kept singing old retro songs. And while we are busy singing songs, we didn't even realize that we had already reached our first stop of the day, and that is Baba Waterfall, one of the most beautiful waterfall in Amboli. The entry fees was 150 rupees per person, and we also got this cute matching bands. There is also a SUV available that charge 30 rupees per person to take you down to the waterfall. But if you take SUV, you will miss all the small and cute waterfalls on the way. So we decided to go down and enjoy the whole journey ourselves. After reaching down, I only remember one song, and that is खोया है खोया है खोया है खोया दिल जैसे लहरों में बूंदी यार जैसे तार में चमकी जिसकी दो आंखें मैं ही तो हूँ ना झरनों में गाँव में झील से भूल में आके तू सुनना Thank you so much for listening to my voice. Well, we spent here more than 45 minutes just watching this beautiful waterfall. And yes, I can spend my whole life watching this. While heading back to our safari van, we decided to take 30 rupees SUV ride just for fun, and honestly, it was really fun. Now let's get back to our safari and head towards our next destination, and that is Mahadevgarh. This fort was built in 1709 to keep an eye on Parpoli Ghat.
चढायला प्रॉब्लेम एवढं चढाव
It was very famous spot to enjoy beautiful views and valleys. You can also find statues of Lord Shiva, the Trishul, and while exploring this place, we also came across the river's air point. Here, we also enjoyed Tsuli Varchi Maggie, and it was awesome while seeing all the beautiful scenery.
ठीक आहे कोण घेते कोण घेते कोण घेते
Now it's time for some shopping. So we got back into our safari van and our driver took us to the local shopping point. You can find many local and traditional things here like pickles, amras, papad, chips and famous rice which grow in Konkan. And of course, we couldn't leave without trying the local Amboli food. We had tried the special Amboli chutney and Amboli chicken, and it was so delicious. You must try if you're visiting Amboli. We also tried their prawns masala, surmai masala, which was fresh from Mumbai.
Guys, if you are coming to Amboli, I swear you don't have to miss this. Cannot miss this. It's so pretty.
So now it's time to move towards our next spot, and that is one of the most famous spot in Amboli, Amboli Waterfalls. But the journey ahead will be continued in part 2 because this video is already getting too long. So I'll see you in part 2. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss part 2, and don't forget to press bell icon. Until then, take care. Bye.